Shalom, shalom, Shanipo. We shall start this session by looking at the common Bantu words which are found in ancient Hebrew. And looking at the Hebrew alphabet, we shall begin with those words which start with Aleph. Av, Av, father, Baba in most African languages, a man who has begotten a child, the provider and support to the household, the ancestor of a family line. Going back to the Lunda kingdom, you will notice that Ya'av means the king of the Lunda people. There is a title which is Mwant Yahav or Mwant Yahav, Ma'at, which in Egyptian it meant somebody relating to truth, balance, order, and harmony. Aval. Aval is a Hebrew word meaning mourn. In Ichiremba, Afwa means someone has died, or to feel or express grief or sorrow, just as the ancient Hebrew meaning. Eloah, Eloah. In Hebrew, this word means power, possession of control, authority, the power or might of one who rules or teaches, one who yokes with another. Similarly, the same word aloha relates to bewitching and controlling another person. Here is the next word, amar. Amar, say, is a verb, to speak chains of words that form sentences. In another Zambian language called Nyanja or Chichewa, kukamba means to speak or to say. First person in Hebrew is ani, ani. In Bemba, I is ine, ine. I, a person aware of possessing a personal identity in self-reference. The next word is asham. Asham in Hebrew means be guilty. Ashama in Bemba means unfortunate on the occasion to commit an offense, especially consciously. Evion. Evion. In Hebrew, this word means needy. Needy. It is being in a condition of need or want. And in Ichiremba, Efiondi means being in a state of want or being poor. Ish. Ish. In Hebrew, Ish stands for man. In Ichiremba, Wishi is an adult male human, as mortal, also used to mean each in the sense of an individual. Asaf. Asaf. This word in Hebrew means gather. And in Ichiremba, the word asava is to gather, to bring together, to accumulate and place in readiness. Af. Af is nose in Hebrew. This is the organ bearing nostrils. The other meaning is anger from the flaring of the nostrils when someone is angry. In Bemba, afiona is to blow one's nose. Allah, Allah. This word in Hebrew means oath. And in Ichibemba, alaya means he or she promised or vowed. Something corroborated. Almanah. Almanah means widow in Hebrew. This is a woman who has lost her husband by death, as bound in grief. Although this is not a direct translation in Ichibemba, Alemana refers to handicap, misfortune, or being deprived. Asherah. Asherah refers to a grove. This is an area of planted trees, somewhere where you can go to. And in Ichibemba, the word Ishilia refers to a place or field, somewhere beyond. Aim. Aim means mother in Hebrew. And in another Zambian language, in Lozi, Ima means a female parent. It also refers to paternal tenderness or affection, or one who fulfills the role of a mother. In Bantu culture and tradition, oral history plays a very significant role to help remember events. In 2 Kings chapter 2, we read about Elijah who went to heaven. Elijah in Hebrew is Eliyahu. In Ichibemba, the word Aliyah means he went. We all know what happened to Elisha when Elijah went to heaven. Elisha remained. And in Chibemba, Alisha means he left, Alishala means he remained. Shalom, 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 bro.